So our last examples, a number increased by 5 is 20. So how do we write that in algebraic expression? So a number, we will use n, increase by 5. So plus for the word increase by 5 is equal to 20. So if we're going to find the answer of or the value of n, so simply look at the reverse operation. N is equal to 20 minus 5, n is equal to 15. So for the value of n, we will have 15. Next, twice a number. Okay, I will erase this one. Twice a number plus 3 is equal to 11. So what is twice a number? So we write that as 2n, 2 for twice, and n for a number, plus 3 equals 11. So how do we get the value of n? First is think of reverse operation for addition. So 2n is equal to 11 minus 3. Since the reverse operation for addition is subtraction, then minus 3 here. So 11 minus 3 is 8. So what is the reverse operation of 2 times n? The reverse operation for multiplication is division. Then we can write it as n is equal to 8 divided by 2. N is equal to 4. So 4 here. This is the algebraic expression. This is the value of n. This is the algebraic equation. This is the value of n. A basket of fruit has bananas and mangoes. The bananas are 3 times the number of mangoes. There are 20 fruits in all. How many of each kind of fruits are these in the basket? So the first step that we're going to do is to represent the fruits in variable. Let's start with the number of mangoes. So let's say that the number of mangoes is n. And for the number of mangoes. And since the bananas are 3 times the number of mangoes, so for banana we have 3n number of number of bananas for 3n. Then now we can write it in equation. So since there are 20 fruits in all, we can write this as n plus 3n is equal to 20. So the first thing that we should solve is the value of n. So since n plus 3n, we can write this one as 4n is equal to 20. So what is the reverse operation of 4 times n? Or what is the reverse operation for multiplication? The reverse operation for multiplication is division. So we can write this as n is equal to 20 divided by 4. So n is equal to 20 divided by 4. The value of n would be 5. And let's see if our answer is correct. Now let's find the number of mangoes first. So since for the mango is n, then it means that we have 5 mangoes. For the number of bananas, we have 3n. So 3 times 5, the answer is 15. If we're going to add 5 plus 15, that is equal to 20. It means that our answer is correct. So in short, there are 5 mangoes and 15 bananas in the basket. Anthony is 15 centimeters taller than Raymond. How tall is Raymond if their total height is 349 centimeters? So first is, let's represent the height of Raymond in variable. So let's say that the height of Raymond is n. This one, Raymond. And for Anthony is, since 15 taller than Raymond, then n plus 15 for Anthony. So now we can write it in an equation, and their total height is 349. So this means that n plus 15 is equal to 349. So let's find the value of n. The first step is to add the like sign or the like terms. So the like terms is n and n. N plus n, 2n plus 15 is equal to 349. After that, then what is the reverse operation for addition? The reverse operation for addition is subtraction. Then we can write this as 2n is equal to 349 minus 15. 3n is equal to, or 2n is equal to 349 minus 15, 433. 334. The next is, what is the reverse operation? Since this is 2n or 2 times n, what is the reverse operation for multiplication? So the reverse operation is division. So we can write this as 334 divided by 2. So n is equal to 334 divided by 2. The answer is 167. So this means that the height of Raymond is 167. So therefore, the height of Raymond is 167, while for Anthony is 167 plus 15, 182. 167 plus 182, the sum is 349. Therefore, Raymond is 167 centimeter tall. There are 60 pupils in the library. The boys are 14 more than girls. How many girls are there? So the first thing that we need to do is to use a variable to represent the number of girls. So let's say for the number of girls, let's use n. While for the number of boys, n again, but for the number of boys, it is the boys are 14 more than girls, meaning to say we will increase the number of girls by 14, so n plus 14 is equal to the number of boys, and their total is 60. So to write it in equation, n plus 14 is equal to 60. The first step is, since we have three terms, then we should add first the like terms. So the like terms is n and n. Then we can write it as 2n plus 14 is equal to 60. Then the next step is for this one. Since we have addition and the reverse operation for addition is subtraction, then we can write it as 2n 60 minus 14. So 60 minus 14 is 46 2n. So a while ago, we looked for the reverse operation of addition. Now, since the term is in multiplication, 2n is equal to 2 times n. So what is the reverse operation for multiplication? The reverse operation for multiplication is division. Then we can write this as n is equal to 46 divided by 2. So 46 divided by 2, the answer is n is equal to 23. So it means that the number of girls is 23, while for boys, n plus 14, n is 23 plus 14, the answer is 37. So we have 23 girls and 37 boys. So in total, 23 plus 37, 60 pupils. Therefore, there are 23 girls in the library. For your activity, answer practice A and B on page 289. Take a photo of your answer and send it via private message. Deadline February 2.